Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. This is going to be the unboxing of my new tool that I bought just this Black Friday, and this is it. This is my Dewalt DCS570B. This is a 7¼ inch circular saw, and I am changing this from my previous 6½ inch saw. And let's go open this up. So I recently just changed all of my tools because of Black Friday deals, and this is definitely a step up from what I previously had. This okay, we have the instruction manual. We'll keep this on the side first. So here we go. Take out the box, put that aside. So this is it. There she is. Let's take that out. It's a nice looking saw. Rafter hook. And it comes with its own proprietary blade. This is the Dewalt 24 tooth 7¼ carbide teeth framing blade. So this is not going to be one of those review videos. It's just going to be an unboxing. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to what do you call this? Test this out right now where I am in this part of the world, because I am in Canada and we're covered in cold and snow right now. There we go. Open that up. So what I'm only going to be doing is I'm going to be installing the blade and see if there's anything wrong with it, if it's operational, if the brakes work, etc. Because if not, then I only have about 90 days, 90 days, I don't know, to return it. So we're gonna install this right now, and you can see there, we're gonna follow where the arrow is. Try to zoom in for that. Arrow, so that goes that way. If my audio is shitty, I'm sorry. I'm just using the microphone on my camera right now. I'm not a professional photographer. I'm not a videographer, or I'm just a regular dude who's happy to share what he has with the money that he bought this Black Friday. There she is. The blade is installed. I'm gonna put this tool back here. This is the 20 volt max XR. This is the brushless type. And let's try it. Let's try it on right now. So I have here a 5 amp 20 volt XR lithium ion battery that I have fully charged. And we're just gonna see what she sounds like. I like the handle. Oh, and it has a light. Okay. Hot damn. Nice. Sounds pretty good. Well, the brake works. So does the light. Yeah, so that's about it. Let's take this off for safety purposes. So I'm probably going to be using this for projects around the house. I am currently in my basement. I'll try to see if I can, well, I plan to finish this basement by myself, and this is probably going to be a nice tool, especially once I start framing this summer. But right now, where I am in the part of the world, we are covered in snow and cold. I am in Canada. Oh, and this cost me about 199 Canadian dollars at Home Depot. You can check where you are in the part of the world, if how much that would cost you. I don't know the conversion, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with the purchase, especially from where I came from, which is just a consumer, or prosumer, not really prosumer, but consumer type home use. The reason why I shifted to Dewalt, the XR, and the brushless motors is because less breakdowns, or so they say. Plus this is contractor grade, so it's probably going to last me more than what I'm going to be using it for. It's probably going to last me a lifetime. Plus I already have the batteries because I also bought the drill and impact driver. But that's for another video. Anyway, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.